Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen property location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Details and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, please find a link. Steering the property will share Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.